This is Warren. This is video part 4 to solve this 3 times 3 Rubik's Cube. At this point, we already solved the ground, the first level, and the second level. Today, we are going to solve the roof part. We're going to make all the roof yellow color. So let's start now! The first goal is to make yellow cross on the roof. So how to make the cross? Now, let's look at your roof. So which side that has no yellow? Is this and this. I want to start from this side. Make it face you. And then we use the code F R U R prime U prime F prime twice. See, I have my yellow cross here. If you haven't get your yellow cross, try again with the same code. After you get the cross, we're going to make the fish on the roof. So what is fish? For fish, the yellow is here. And this. So the fish head is here, and this is the fish tail. So how to make yellow fish on the roof? Now look at your third level. Do you have eyes like mine? 2 yellow at the left and right? We call it eyes. Look here. I have eyes on the front and eyes on the back. If you have eyes like mine, hide in your left palm. You can choose either eyes, and I choose this one. Then use the code R U R prime U R U2 R prime. Let's check. Do I get a fish? Yes! Now, I want to talk about other case. If you have the yellow cross and the shape like this, we call it tank. If you have tank and don't have yellow in front, but you have the yellow on its side, then bring this yellow to you. Then use the code R U R prime U R U2 R prime. Now you have fish. Now I have another case. What if your cross is the ribbon shape like this? Usually, the ribbon have 1 yellow here and 1 yellow here. Use the yellow on this left side and face it to you. Then use the code R U R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. See, now you have fish. After you get a fish on the roof, next goal is make all yellow. So how do we solve this? Face the fish head towards you. Then look at the third level. I have the yellow here on the left. Since it's on the left, face it to you and then use the code L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L. See, I already solved the roof. I have one more case. You get a fish and the yellow is on the right. Make it face you and then use the code R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. See, now you solve the roof. At this point, we are left with level 3. And we already solved the rest. So see you at the next video to solve level 3.
Thank you for watching. Bye!